Hello everyone. My name is Tumelo Nkwe and I'm a 21-year-old boy. I'm from Uchudi. Please vote for me because I think I have the talent and energy to go to Hollywood. Good evening, Botswana. It's a pleasure for me to be back again. My name is Tumelo Nkwe and you're watching your #1 TV show on the planet, Gemstone. And you know how we do it. We search for people with talent, real talent, to go to Hollywood. Yes, Hollywood. Like always, we're at the Crystal President Hotel where we'll be having audition in different categories. Could it be modeling, acting, singing, presenting, even dancing? If you think you have the talent in one of those, then this is the right place for you. Audition runs from today onwards till the 12th of November 2011 from 10 o'clock till 4 p.m. Make sure that you come this side and showcase your talent. Who knows, you at home could be our next star going to Hollywood.